Hello everyone, I am losing my voice, you can probably tell. Also, I bought a new dresser and there's a light box. I can't figure out a better solution for that. So it's just here and I can rotate it when I need to use it. There's the new dresser, and then I brought the fabric in the room and out of the hallway, and I just opened up the hallway out there and then got a white bookcase to complete it off. But that's not the point of today's video. The point of today's video is this huge box. Bam! I worked my address out ahead of time because this box is huge and I didn't want to make any mistakes and accidentally dox myself. Alright. This huge box is from my friend Nevada. I bought her collection of Minky that she was destashing. So let's see what we got here. Oh, look at all this. I haven't opened it yet. I just uncut the tape so I can just get right into this. Okay. I don't know if this is going to stay very good, but we'll see. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the good Minky, too. It's got that good pull, that nice softness. So here we have like a lime green. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, yeah. I only have like a tiny sliver of this kind of olive color. Oh, this is great. Yes, with cons coming back, I can definitely use all of this because my stores are pretty much empty from all the conventions I've been doing. So this is excellent. Yeah, I immediately jumped in. It was like, I will buy all of it. I will buy all your Minky. Oh, I have some of this color too. This is the perfect amount because I never use very much of it. All right. I like that it's kind of done by color too. Make it nice and easy to put up. Oh, that's like a little mint. That's really cool. And a little bit of this. That'll be just perfect to help out with some of the sandbar embroidery. Here's another green. This one's an apple green. I really like this shade. And this is perfect because I'm wanting to make some alligator Lokis for a few upcoming conventions. So all this green is perfect. You get to see how big my stores are after we finish this. Oh yes, this is an Ocellus blue. This is perfect. Ooh, this is definitely a color I can use a lot of. Then we have a baby blue, which always a good color to have on hand. I run out so much. There's so much you can do with this color. Ah, that's a good color. Oh, missed some of the green. A nice deep green, very pretty. Looks like we have some scraps of pink and lavender. I'll set those aside. Oh, we got some good browns here. Oh, this is a good brown. This is the brown that I normally use. It's such a pretty shade of brown. This is, ooh, I have not had this color before. It's a nice, deep, royal looking brown. Very pretty. This one is a nice, dark chocolate brown. Very pretty. Oh, I'm loving these colors. I haven't had a lot of these colors before. It's great. Another piece of brown, a little scrap. I love scraps. There's plenty of things you can do with scraps. They are great. And we have some tan here. Perfect. I don't have this color of tan right now, so that is absolutely perfect. Let's see what we got in here. So we got some creams. Always good. Nice cream color. There's so much you can do with cream. I use cream for like Coco Pomel and Autumn Blaze. And you can use cream for certain people and just lots of different things. And here's some more cream because, again, cream, you can never have too much cream color. This is a banana type yellow, which is great for like Fluttershy and things like that. Here's some more banana yellow. very good color. Very good. I am glad this camera is staying. Okay. Oh, this is a mango type color. I don't think this one is exactly mango, but it's close to it. Oh, beautiful. That color is one of my favorites. It's so good for all the projects you use it with. I'm always excited to work with it. I miss some creams. And that is one bag down. Here we have a whole bunch of different eyes. This was one of the things she was getting rid of too. And there's like teeny tiny, there's colorful, there's a whole bunch of different eyes here. Ah, this is awesome. I'm very excited to use those for different projects. Ooh, we have a pink thing now. Ah, this is like a Paris pink right here, or a hot pink. Very nice. You can use that for like Pinkie Pie. I've used it for making Biomon. I think that one is, it's like a Paris pink or a hot pink. This one is definitely a more Paris pink. Very beautiful. Love that color. I am out of like all pinks, so this is all extremely helpful. All right. Here's some pink scraps. And some red. Oh, look at that royal red. Oh, this is beautiful. This is absolutely perfect. I am in love with this red color. Here we have a little slightly darker than that other red. Still very beautiful. And here's some more of the royal red. Very pretty. And I have a big project I can use all this red on, so this is absolutely perfect. Oh yes, more of this color. This color has been out on Fabric.com, so I'm really excited to see this. I love this color. This color is perfect for like Tempest Mane and things like that, and it's just beautiful. And we also have some raspberry, which I am suspecting they're discontinuing soon because I have noticed that it's on a clearance, and usually that doesn't bode well. Here's some more of the raspberry. Some little scrap raspberry. Perfect. Now I have plenty of raspberry just in case they stop making it. And I believe that's all the pinks. No, here's some more pink. Here's a lighter pink. Very pretty. And there's a little bit of a scrap. And then we have this type of burgundy fabric. Very pretty. Very pretty. Oh. So we have another type of burgundy dark red. Very pretty. And, ooh, this is a color I have not worked with either. Oh, this is very nice. I'm always excited when I get new colors. I just think about all the things that I can make with it that I haven't made before. Now, we have the oranges. Oh, this is very pretty. This is a deep orange. I really like this one. I've never had a deep orange like that before. Very nice. Here's some more. Just like, this is like orange. This is the color you think of when you think of like orange juice. I love this color. Oh, here we have kind of like a burnt gold. Very pretty. Put that in the yellow section. Along with this gold. This is very pretty. This is the same or similar color that I use for like Daring Do and things like that. And that one's such a nice shade. Here is some pumpkin. Always good. Pumpkin is always good for different things. Here's some orange scraps. And here's some canary yellow, I believe. Very pretty. So we have some more light tan. I believe this is kind of like a sand more than a camel. Very pretty. Oh, I think this is a taupe. This is a very pretty brown. I haven't seen this color before. That's gonna be fun. Here we have, I've worked with this color before, but I don't remember the exact name of it. Definitely a color I haven't seen in a really long time, so I'm very excited for it. I might actually start making some people. I don't make people too often. Here is a much brighter, warmer shade of the creams and ivories. Very pretty. And we have down to one last bag. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Oh, we have some blue scrap. Very pretty. Here we have a, not a lavender, but more of like akin to Twilight Sparkles type of color. Very pretty. Here we have some more lavender, which is great. Definitely need more lavender. I wish they had this color more. This color is absolutely perfect for Starlit Glimmer versus the lavender that I have. Ah, here's some more lavender of that nice lavender shade. This is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. And here's some more lavender because I was like completely out of gray. I literally had like maybe half a yard left. So this is awesome. Here is a white scrap. Black, always a good color to have on hand. Black and white are pretty much necessary. Oh, good, dark gray. I was completely out of dark gray, and this is such a necessary color. So happy. And more black. Like I said, always good to have plenty of black. Oh, here's some more purple. Such a pretty shade. And we have some white. Perfect. Never can have too much white and black. Those are some of your most used colors. Oh, here's a deep purple. This one I believe is amethyst. And this is perfect for so many different things. Awesome. Now it looks like we're going to be running into some more blue. Oh, there's some more purple. Oh, this one is straight up purple. This color never shows up on cameras or video very well. Showed up okay here, but it's such a hard shade to video and take photos of. So you ever see anyone talking about like, I can't get this color to look right in the pictures? They're using purple. It never wants to show up. I don't know why. Oh, here's like a deep plum. This is great. I've never had this color before either. Oh, it's so exciting. And oh, this is a type of denim. This is a denim color I haven't had before. This is really awesome. This one is definitely a denim. I think that other one is like a cross between a denim and a French blue. Nice scrap of this color, which I can always use. Some more scraps of a similar shade. Very nice. Oh, this shade is great. There's so many different things you can do with this. I don't remember the name off the top of my head, but it's a good shade. And then this one is peacock. It's a peacock color. Very good. There's so many different things you can do with it. We have some more black. Like I said, always good to have. We have some dark blue. Not dark blue. This is more like your normal standard blue. And last but not least, we have some more white. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and get all of this put up, and then I'll show you my fully stocked shelves. It's gonna be a great before and after. All right, I'm gonna put those with my scraps, and here we go. That yellow's for our future project. That's why it's up there. Look at these shelves. Look at this. Look how full they are now. This is awesome. With the exception of probably a platinum gray, a very light shade of gray, I think that we are set and we won't need more fabric for a really long time. This is awesome. I'm so happy with all of this fabric. And of course, all these eyes, which I'm excited to use. Look at it all. I'm so excited. I feel so creative right now. There's so many different things I want to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me unboxing just a ton of fabric. This box right here weighed 40 pounds and there was just so much fabric in it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, leave a comment down below just to let me know what you thought. My next video will most likely be my Dragon Con vlog, which will be not this weekend, but the following weekend after that. And Dragon Con goes Friday through Monday. I'll more than likely be coming home Monday night, so the vlog will be up, if not Monday night, then the next day on Tuesday. So I hope you will enjoy that. I'm not 100% sure how much I'll get to walk around since I'll mostly be in the vendor hall the whole time. But hopefully I'll be able to capture some good footage that you'll be able to enjoy. So until next time, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.